In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Recart. To get started, log into your Shopify admin. This is where you will manage your store settings, apps, and integrations. Once you are inside the admin dashboard, go to your settings area. From there, click into the Apps section, and then open the Shopify App Store. This will take you to the marketplace where you can find tools that connect directly with your store. In the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to look for Recart. When you see Recart in the results, select it to open the app listing. Take a moment to confirm that it is the correct app for list growth and messaging features. Once you are on the app page, click Install App to begin adding it to your Shopify store. After that, Shopify may ask you to review permissions and confirm the installation. Follow the prompts carefully and click Install again if needed to complete the sync and connect Recart to your store. This connection is important because it allows Recart to work with your Shopify data and support your marketing setup properly. When the app opens inside the Recart dashboard, the next thing you will do is complete your brand profile and contact information. Fill in the required business details so the platform can identify your store correctly and support your messaging setup. Make sure everything is accurate, since this information can affect how your account is configured and how your communications appear. Next, follow the automated setup wizard inside Recart. This part is designed to guide you through the process of generating your dedicated toll-free number or shortcode. This is especially important for compliance in the United States and Canada, where messaging rules require proper registration before sending SMS campaigns. The wizard will walk you through what Recart needs, so move through each screen carefully and submit the requested business details. Once that is done, go back to Shopify and navigate to Settings, then Checkout. In the Checkout settings, make sure SMS marketing consent is enabled. This is an important final step because it allows customers to give permission to receive text message marketing during checkout. Without this enabled, your SMS list growth may be limited. After you confirm that setting, your Recart setup is essentially ready for use. At that point, you can move forward inside the platform and begin building your SMS marketing efforts with the correct connection and compliance setup in place. That covers everything you need to know.